Let's talk about Mumbai city now. Has the situation in Mumbai improved to the extent that we can now say Mumbai is flattening the curve? The maximum city has reported a gradual decline in daily caseload since the last 1 week or so. On Tuesday, Mumbai reported 2,554 daily infections, down from the caseload of 2,662 on Monday. It's a stark contrast to the coronavirus situation a month ago, when Mumbai reported more than 10,000 infections on a daily basis. The sudden dip can be attributed to stricter measures imposed by the Uddhav Thackeray government. Mustafa Sheikh sent us this report earlier.
There are long queues seen in Mumbai at vaccination centers. Mumbai has just come out from the second wave of COVID cases, and Mumbaikars are turning out in large numbers at the vaccination centers. We are at Dadar. Inside a parking lot, there is a drive-through facility this vaccination center has, especially for disabled people, especially for senior citizens. And you can see the queues which are present in the morning for the vaccination. And this queue, as far as the camera can go, and further, the people are standing here to take their vaccinations. In 2 to 3 hours, vaccination doses are exhausted in different centers in Mumbai. People are coming out in large number, but that is not being met by enough supply of the vaccine doses. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Okay, let's give you a detailed report of which are the areas that are doing well in terms of the vaccination coverage. Less than 10% of the population coverage. These are the areas in the country. These are the states in red where the coverage is less than 10%. Somewhere between 10 to 20%. These are the areas in yellow which are seeing a coverage of the vaccination drive between 10 to 20%. And states which are doing fairly okay, more than 20% are these states essentially in green in the country. Well, in this sector,